Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on Paybase Bitcoin app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up a particular Paybase app on your phone, and right afterwards you're gonna find this option of login, right? And then you can simply choose from personal to corporate which account you have created or which account you would like to sign into, and then go ahead, enter your email address that you use to create account, tap on login, and that is it. It only requires your email address for you to log in, but simply make sure to choose your correct account category for you to get logged in to that same account. Once you enter, tap on login and you're good to go. And if you wish to register, you can also tap on this register option at the bottom, and again enter your email address for the registration purpose. You can tap on continue, provide the further information, and good to go. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.